Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of currency markets, specifically focusing on the recent movements of the Japanese yen against the US dollar. If you're interested in finance, economics, or just want to understand what's shaking up the global markets, you've come to the right place. So, what's the big story? Well, the Japanese yen has managed to pull itself further away from a one-week low it recently hit against the US dollar. This is a significant development. For a while, it seemed like the yen might continue to weaken, but it's showing some real resilience. The bears, that is, the traders betting on the yen to fall further, seem to be losing their confidence a bit. They're hesitating to place aggressive bets against the yen right now, and that hesitation is giving the currency some breathing room to recover. Now, you might be wondering, why is this happening? A big piece of the puzzle is the recent economic data coming out of the United States. We saw some softer than expected U.S. consumer inflation figures, and then weekly jobless claims came in higher than anticipated. When you see numbers like these, it raises questions about the strength of the U.S. economic recovery. This, in turn, has led to speculation that the Federal Reserve might be more inclined to cut interest rates sooner rather than later. Think of it this way: lower interest rates generally make a currency less attractive to foreign investors who are seeking higher returns. So, the mere prospect of the Fed cutting rates is enough to put some downward pressure on the US dollar. And when the dollar weakens, it naturally gives a lift to other currencies paired against it, like the Japanese yen. This dynamic is a classic example of how interconnected the global financial markets are. What happens with US jobs data can directly impact the value of Japan's currency. Looking ahead, the market is in a wait-and-see mode. Traders are keeping a very close eye on upcoming statements from both the Bank of Japan and the U.S. Federal Reserve. Any hints about future monetary policy, whether it's about interest rates or other economic tools, will be scrutinized and could cause the next big move in the USD JPY pair. For now, the yen has found some footing, but the bears are still lurking, waiting for a clear signal. Thanks for tuning in to get the scoop on the yen. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next update. We'd love to have you as part of our community. See you in the next video.